Hi, this is Digital Sticks coming back to you to help you with another word list. And we're going to work on list 3 from first grade list 1. And so I'm doing this differently. For starters, we're just going to look at your actual list and go at it from there. So if you have your list, you can follow along and just put your finger on each one as we go through and follow along. And that's how I'm going to do it. Now, I close my eyes when I point, but it's just something I do different. Okay, there we go. Okay, so right here is there. It's T-H-E-R. And the reason I spell them is because if you spell them, you can actually memorize the spelling that way. And if you struggle on one, you don't recognize it on sight, which is the goal. But if you don't, you can kind of look at it and you get an extra chance to put the spelling together. So if you looked at that one and you were struggling, you've got your sounding out options, but you also have the T-H-E-R-E there. When you memorize it like that, it'll register. So there, T-H-E-R-E. The next one is use, U-S-E. The next one is an, A-N. The next one is each, E-A-C-H. And yeah, we're going kind of fast, but you don't have to learn them all right now. You can go back through and use this video to help you practice, whichever way it helps you. Okay, so which, W-H-I-C-H, she, S-H-E, do, D-O, how, H-O-W, there, T-H-E-I-R, and if, I-F. Okay, and now we're going to go back through these words. It could get kind of boring, but it's okay. You got to learn them, and once you learn them, then you get to chew a piece of candy or gum in class as your reward for this one. Not to mention all the pictures in the hallway going up, and you can get ahead. So, okay, so now we'll go back through, and I'm going to pause at each one, and you try to say it before I say it. And if you don't know them now, that's going to still help you by trying to figure it out. You can learn which ones you need to practice. If you can't say it before I say it, then work on getting that one down. You can even say it several more times before we go into the next one or do something like that. But, okay, so we have the first word. Say that before I do. There. Did you get that? I hope so. Okay, and then this word. Use. Hopefully you got that first. Okay, and then our next word is and. Good job. All right, and the next word, each. All right, and the next word, which. And the next word, she. And then this one, do. And that one, how. This one here, there. And this one, if. Oh, sorry, I went a little fast on those. I'm sorry. This one, how. This one, there. And this one, if. Okay, so now, one more time, and I'm going to go faster this time, and you try to say it before I do. And if you can do that, you're ready for that test, or you're close. I mean, no reason to stop practicing until you nail it, but you can get it. So, all right, you should be able to. You're going to be really close. Just maybe you struggle with a word or two somehow, and you have to do it one more time, but it's okay. You'll be close. All right, this word, there. This one, use. That one, and this one, each. And this one, which. And this one here, she. This word, do. And this one, how. And this one here, there. And this one, if. Good job. Okay, and you can always go back through the video, and just for a little extra fun learning this, we're going to try to do something different. And it's going to take me a minute to do something different here. Uh-oh. What's happened here? Nothing to be alarmed about. I knew what I was doing. Okay, so now, how about we write in the air again? And I have another trick to make that even better. Oh, all right. Now we're talking. So I can draw in the air, and you can see what I draw. I'm going to write these, and you'll just follow from, you'll watch like that. Okay. And let's see, what else? Oh, I have to do something else. All right, we're ready to get this done. Okay. How about we pick two colors to start with? We got to go with this red and this blue. And it's out here in the open. First off, we can run and do all kinds of stuff in here. And look at that. See that? And then we can write our words on top of it. All right, so our first word was there. T-H-E-R-E for there. And our next one is use, so we will use blue above the red. There's that. Okay, and we'll go back and grab our red pen. Okay, and our next word was and. There's and. And don't worry, we'll come back through. I'll show them to you. Or, I can do this differently. Okay, our next word is each. So we'll use each color. We'll do a blue E, a red A, a blue C, and a red H. And that's each. Okay, and now we'll write underneath this time. And our next word is which. And we'll do that in red since we're under the blue. Which. And she. Let's make she really big. Okay. How's that look? It works on the camera. Okay, now I can get out here somewhere else. We'll, we'll write some words in a different direction. And we have do. Do. D-O. And, all right, let's go get another marker. Oh, oh no. See, these are kind of blending in. Okay, so now we have 3 words left. We'll do them all in green. We've got how, and then we've got there. Okay, so, okay. Now we'll do something different with there. Okay, and just realize you have both theirs, and so I'll explain those. If someone hasn't already, then you'll know. You've got there, that means it belongs to them, it's their property, and you have there as in it's over there. And then if is our last word. Okay, and then we can leave our pen floating in the air. That's the way we do things here. Okay, so now let's go through, and now let's do this as a selfie. Okay, so just one moment. Okay, look at that. What word is that? T-H-E-R-E. It was there. And our next word was use. U-S-E. Then we had an. A-N. We had each. E-A-C-H. And we used each color that we were working with. And we have which. W-I-C-H. Okay. This isn't working. They're all backwards for you. I should have known. Okay, just one moment. Well, I'm not set up to do it that way, so let's see if this works. Okay. We'll do it this way. Okay, so we have there, have use behind me. All right. Okay, forget me in the picture. I can't. Camera's following me everywhere I go. Okay, so now we've got and. There we go. My camera needs a lot of work. It can do some really neat things, but it's not very good at working completely the way it's supposed to. Okay, we'll just settle for this. So we have an, A-N. We have each, E-A-C-H. What word is that? Which, W-I-C-H. And that word? She. Do. How. And look, here's there. And it's kind of neat to see. I purposely made that curved around. And then if. Okay, and so one more time. Well, maybe. Okay. One more time. Should be able to do this. So try not to get too bored. Just well. So I do that. And I bring back our list. So see if you've learned them better. Okay, what's that word? There. That word? Use. And that word? And. This one? Each. This one? Which. This one? She. And that one? Do. That one? How. This one? There. And this one? If. So hopefully you got them, and you can always watch this again, and then I'm sure it wouldn't take too many times to be ready for that test. So, I mean, I know it's not a test, but you could be able to read them all to your teacher and do great. So I know you can do it, and so anyways, have a good one, and thanks for your time and for studying with me, and we'll do this again.